What's good, people? Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be previewing the game between Kotoko versus Hilal. The game will be taking place here in the next few hours, and I'm going to be previewing the game. First of all, the game will be shown on GTV Sports Plus. So if you're in Ghana, you can watch it on GTV Sports Plus. If you're outside Ghana, you can watch it through the StarTimes app, or you can watch it on seek.com. That's seek.com. That's seek.com. You can watch it there. It will be live on GTV Sports Plus and Seek. Now, team news, I'm hearing that Kotoko might maintain the same formation or the same lineup that played against Dreams FC, that secured a 1-0 win against Dreams FC. Kwame Poku, William Opoku-Mensah, Godfrey Desiema, Idom Frimpong, Latif Anabila, Manuel Jimfi, Amor Ibrahim, Wahab Adams, Habib Mohammed, Christopher Niti, and Razak Abalora. So today it's going to be a very difficult game because Al Hilal team has a lot of national team players from Sudan national team, so it's going to be a very difficult game. All of you have seen him on the gym feed this season. You can see that he's having problems in the final third. I keep saying that if he doesn't have competition in the team, there's no way he can improve. I think he needs someone that will rival him in his position, and that is the only way he can improve. Now, as you can see, the people are now watching the stadium. You can see them right there. They are now watching the stadium to keep it, the pitch. Sorry, they are now watching the pitch to keep it ready or to keep it in a very good state before the game starts. The Kotoko team are yet to arrive to the stadium, but right now it's just the guys watching the pitch. I'm actually expecting Asante Kotoko to win the game because they seriously need to win the game, and it's going to be very difficult. But I think they can do it because we are home, and there's no way. I don't think it will be very good for us to lose at home. So I'm expecting them to win this game. So my prediction, I'll be going for a 2-1 win with Kwame Poku and Emmanuel Jimfi. Today I'm predicting Emmanuel Jimfi to score today. So I'm hoping it all pans out. So that's all. I'll be giving you the warm-up if they start warming up, and when the team comes on the pitch, I'll be giving you a live stream of the warm-up.